Hi, good morning everyone. It's 7:30 a.m. and yeah, just before I woke up and freshen up and then I'm making this video. Today I'm so excited um, to show something. I hope you know from my thumbnail or from my caption today. And yes, I'm going to my field for the last time because my vacation is over, and then from tomorrow I'll be traveling to my new college. From this year I'll be joining a new college, new place, so I'm very excited for that. But for today I'll be making one video in my field, so I hope you enjoy this video. And please support me by sharing, like, and subscribe. This is the roadway. There is my mom. This is our tiffin. Today we're gonna eat from there only. So this is the place. Because of landslide we cannot walk properly. So guys, yade mukokchung di jala rasta do ase aro moigan yati falibar jabo. To camera do hat de dura garne olop shaky hobo livi. Bear with me. So yadi mano jala rasta ekta ase only mogan do yadi falibar jabo. See, my mom is going there. So let me also go. Oh. Ha. So itu manuala field ase. That is my field. That is our field. So we're gonna cross this field. Our field is not so far from my home. So we reached so early. See, you can see cucumber up there. Cucumber. But not ours, okay? I'm not going to take out. Malano eh. So let me just pass. These two rice house to Guliasiama, bro. So this is the one. Si Imambal na. Imambal. So may under di dikai dibo. Ito ase under de. 1, 2, 3 banay yade. Aro. Ito so basi. Aro. This is the one. Si Imambal ne. Imambal ase. Our Nijidi vijayna ase. Nijidi. Oh Nijidi. My field is just like in one mountain. So mountain snack does it. Mountain snack does it. Or Nijidi vijayna ase. So when I go downside, I just showed from there. Look at the view. Don't think that this is ours, okay? This is not ours. The owner is different. Guys, I'm going down. So, wow, so fresh. Oh, my mom is bringing cucumber. Ha! Tanagi zo de tsadu na. So Guys, this is my look today. And yeah, see? Now, before I went this side, now I'll be going this side. This side where my mom is going. Ama jar laga rasta te jabo. Ama longa. Udah chung. So cool again. See, I'll show you from back camera. Yeah, this is the one. Ranggang nishna dakagane. I cannot walk so quickly. I'm not expert in this. So I'll be going a little slowly. So just before my mom take out some cucumber from this area. See, from this area. And she's planning to take out corn. Itu mukai ulaule amado mukai ulaule se. So I'm so excited to eat that. Mukai kaule na pishi excited as day ajido mukai logot patpi kawuli mon. Haile do mukai logoti bat kauna ki. Bani wala ayo nishna je. I feel like it will rain today. Itu mukai do lido sweet corn aside sweet corn na. So local laga mukai noi. This is sweet corn. So this is very sweet. Nam nishna se sweet ase. More sweet. Wow. So I'm still working here. Let me show you guys something. Kipata dikai di mo eh. Kia si ulit do. See, cucumber. Little small, but I just took out. This will be very sweet, okay? Bal dagiwa na. So I just took out. Mui kawuli monda. Kilimane galibray hi mui college ti jawli ase, so I won't be able to eat that. So mui ulai che mui kawuli. So ama laga little garden, this one. The day where she put some corn, maize. See? And then cucumber. This is, yeah, it was. And then okay, let me just go from here. Mui yadi fali jaina dikai dibu mui. Kia si huli do yadi kita lagi nasi huli do ama pra beans tali nasi de beans. So see, look at these beans. So nice. Boil garni pish balaze. And now this is ginger bhi dalina se. So why I came today is mula andi garni vegetable ulai diole na timawore le jawle ase sob to ulai na jawo malabi. This mom is taking out beans. Ini jahit kadang dia udah kelenjang. itu sob tu na, itu ki ase, itu cast tu, I don't know from Nagamis. Nagamis pra moi ki koi na jane de itu do. Kuli bi au pra do kuli do, au pra napa koi itu ki. So I'm gonna take out all this. I mean some. Itu mula anti Timapur de ase. Tu takan itu plant kuruli muna se kushe. So I'm gonna take out for them. Itu ase. Aro itu marcha. Itu marcha kan ase. Juldi itu kiba marcha ulawa. Aro si. Man dong. Ama mujin aro ekta side fali jabo where aro marcha kan dali kina ase. Ama mujin bra. So tadi jabo jaina sabo ki ase. Tu cucumber la casa ase do. This year the cucumber bishi kawo de. Cucumber. Bishi kawo de. So alam mo isi de. Aku kan bola lagi naik na. Itu kia sih marja. Man dangor si. Ama mujin bra dalela se. So man dangor na si. Dangor isi. Man healthy marja lakas. This year the supply pa daw. Jadi practice so man tas lain nasi. Itu lidu mushroom itu wala na. Very tasty. You get this mushroom. Gulai dibi, iji suka mau from here. Let's see. Ini aji tu iman do ulai na nai. Gulai di ulai na se. Itu sepe ulai. Guys, pani laka awas pra. Mula awas tu pasi no ni bukane aro pani udah di sini na. So you will not hear my voice so clearly. Jadi mue kam guru deh. Guys, I'm gonna take out these leaves. Pumpkin laka na. Kasi ito, so boil ba na ulit? Hula ko. Oh, maybe not. Wish I don't go inside. Ito? Diba dia? Wish. May silupot ka na panay na kaya fishball. So guys, ito jinisnya mo eh. See. Welcome kurado. Dutuka kurinai Inika taka, inika hoshide. Amado still working there. Pani ayu nishna se. It is very dark. Itu karne rest house de jawli muna se. So after some time I'll be going there for cooking. Guys, bunny giri ase. Bunny giri ase. I have to hurry. Downside Brian is there down. Oh, the day come good. I was working downside. So right now I'm running. Bunny. Amado ulido mukai luina haibush. So I'm going little faster. Ajido din all balne. But before that, morning they do sun mari degishi uliwi. Hate pani giri ase. So guys, I'm gonna show how I work, okay? Rest house punji mo. Nakai na siya korba. Good morning, kilimani. Mula intention do lido. Yadi feel dia haina he. Patang ko kawo ko na mula intention do lagi siya. So I did not eat anything from home. To book lagi ase. I'm so hungry right now. I did not eat anything. Oof. So guys, I'm gonna show how I cook mukai dali na banauli ase. So I'm very excited to eat that. So yeah. Let me make fire, okay? Put in that oil, and then beans also we're gonna put this one. We took out these beans, and yeah, oh I forgot to take out one. Oh, my cucumber is here. These are the cucumbers that we took out today, and it's raining so heavy right now. I'm gonna eat right now. Mace is here, cucumber, pork, and then that boil. So let me show you. So this is my plate. I'm gonna enjoy this one. This is local rice, okay? Local rice. So this is so sticky, so good. Thanks. I'm not talking because I don't want to talk when I'm eating, okay? And I'm so hungry right now, so I'll be just eating. Meat soy, it's so tasty. Proxy. Aydın suyu kunu da gibi Ruben Japan ishina de Kado bishi bi test de You try eating Amang sudu ko right siya Ito Hokkaido ulit fresh ulalasi dahil ulalasi plus ito local kian na mukha niya sweet corn na ito so desu very sweet diba очень fresh ulalasi iba tingin mo kali jauh lang kan एक बार कर शुरू 누르고 정말 Canada okay I'll show you my field later. So guys, I came here to take out all these mushrooms. Dati falibi dyan na siya. Ready na siya. So, I'm gonna take out all this. Ito na, chutney ba na rin chutney ba na rin habishi bala siya. So tasty. So, ito dito ko lang. Ini dito ko. Tapos. Mita ekta gas de mita. Do you know level? 아직도 이만도 올라있나 나이? 기만이 past few days 니 산이 많이 그랬지 so it was not raining because of that so 올라이던 디도 비시버 올라이래 비시 올라이 디바나 but then pani nikira karne se 지금은 GPS에 당황이네. So let me just go downside once. Give me nasina. I'm scared if there's snake. So guys, piti bishi wala siya. Today I'm enjoying a lot, eating plus just roaming around like this. It's very good. Vacation time day, just sitting at home na. It's not so interesting, but then if you're a student and if you're watching my video, then try to explore like this, like me, no? So that you will be refreshing as well as you'll enjoy. See, wow, man dangwar. See, man dangwar siya. Yo, siya na yun. See, man dangwar, like this. Siya palde. Kititi jabole alji nolowi. Itiado kititi jawli bishi monase kili mane cucumber gan ki gan so bulai nase khawoli saman gan khawoli jis gan bishi ase. So you can visit anyone's field. You can work there, eat there. Yeah. Oh, I'll just go down there once. Yeah. See. So, ay, hindi man nawala na siguro. Kasi, nawala na siya. But I'm scared. Maybe guys, I'll just go down and take a look at this. Just leave it. Funky Sheila. So guys, yadi brado so bulai jishe. Ito soup to lai siya. Dito mula field dito si. Oh, tadi ati mula rest house to na. So, अभी जगह एक तरी जना सबो. So, I'll just check around whether there is mushroom or not. Unexpected जगह दी भी ऐसे दे mushroom गना. और इधर रास्ता से इधर रास्ता. Guys, see, ये दी भी ऐसे mushroom. ये भी उलाई दी वो मोय. So, see, mambal na. Chief livery na sa livery wa. Bani do yadi tak aina se yadi liver na. So awas tu ini una huni ja. Man loud. Bani awas tu man loud ase. Man dangwas. Mushroom do lidu yadi bi lana se livi. Ulap chutu ase. So I'm not gonna take out. Man mountain ekta des na ki jawli bi na pare. Birawli bi na pare. Modo. Guys, don't think that I don't work. Okay, I work a bit, little bit. I used to work. See, my mom's still working, even though it's raining. My mom is a hard-working woman. Okay, she works a lot. So 되게 빛이 발려. Let's go work. So guys, we worked a lot and now we are gonna go to back at home. So thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I'm not gonna make a video anymore while going back home. See, mosquito bite me here. In my hand also. So bye bye. Okay. Before that, until I make new video, please be safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye bye.